I'm Al Schroeder, and my responsibility is to obtain bikes and repair them and furnish them to individuals that are in need. About a year and a half ago, I actually found a bike that was in the trash and repaired it, and we put it on the Parkview single-parent helping hands, and it went right away. So we realized that there was a need that could be fulfilled in providing bicycles. Bicycle ministry developed because we have a heart for helping people, and it's enabled us to reach out to not only children but to adults. And many of our adults that receive the bikes may be homeless, or they may not be able to have an automobile for transportation. People can help just by furnishing bikes, and we'll do everything we can to get them out to anybody that is in need. Recently, there's a person in New Lenox that I've been helping that rides to work 10 miles as a janitor and 10 miles back at night. So he's gone through 2 bikes, but it's enabled him to be able to function in society, and at the same time it's enabled me to be able to witness to him. Scripture tells us we are to love and help one another, and we feel this is a way that that we can give back. And what we would like individuals that receive bikes from us to remember is that somebody cares.